Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, enter Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes, and add new passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card to your Google account. Next, if you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks for each country participating in Google Pay. Next, you can manage passwords in the password manager, and in your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.